Ay, syempre, isang magandang laban pag nagkataon ang itinutulak na bakbakan sa pagitan ng unbeaten light welterweight champion Terence Crawford at Filipino boxing sensation Manny Pacquiao. Ayon po kay former 2-division world champion Timothy Bradley, may sapat na kakayahan si Crawford, baka sayo lang yan upang mabigyan ito ng magandang laban ang fighting pride ng Pilipinas. May report si Judith Karingal ng Sports Radio 918.
Naniniwala si former world welterweight champion Timothy Bradley na magiging maganda ang labanan sa pagitan ni Manny Pacquiao at unbeaten light welterweight champion Terence Crawford. Ayon kay Bradley, sapat na ang galing, talino at experience ni Crawford para makonsidera bilang comeback opponent ni Manny Pacquiao bago matapos ang taon. Kahapon ay nagtala si Crawford ng one-sided 12-round unanimous decision win kay Ukrainian Viktor Postol sa kanilang unification match sa MGM Grand Garden sa Las Vegas. Si Bradley ay nasa ringside upang masaksihan ang clinical victory ni Crawford, ang 28-year-old Nebraska native na may unbeaten record na 29 wins, 20 dito via knockout.
So I think it's going to be an interesting matchup. I would favor my boy Terence with the size, his movement. I would favor him in the fight. I would want him to beat him. But it's, like I said, man, that's a tough fight, Manny. You can never count that guy out, man. He's a beast.
Samantala, binalaan naman ni Bradley si Crawford na huwag maliitin ang kakayahan ni Pacman kahit na sinasabing nasa twilight na ito ng kanyang career sa edad na 37 years old. 3 beses nakalaban ni Bradley si Pacquiao kung saan nakuhang maipanalo ng Filipino icon ang huling 2 laban. Bukod dito ay naging sparmate ni Bradley si Crawford sa isa sa mga laban nito.
Yeah, that last time out, I don't know what I said to piss him off, but that last time out, he looked good. He was sensational. He learned a lot from that Floyd fight. Let me tell you that. He did. He was a different fighter.
Nakatakdang magbalik aksyon si Pacquiao at sinasabing namimili na lamang kung sino sa 3 fighters na sina Crawford, Danny Garcia at Jesse Vargas ang makakalaban nito sa November 5. Para sa PTV Sports, Judith Karingal, Sports Radio 918.